Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from Lawyerist.com. Lawyerist is a community for small firm lawyers to learn from each other, support each other, and to have fun while building successful, client-centered law firms. Today I'm going to review PracticePanther, a practice management software for your law firm. PracticePanther is a law practice management software that features a clean, easy-to-use dashboard and integrates with a number of different apps to help you sync your calendar, email, and finances. It also offers robust document storage. When you first log in, you'll see the PracticePanther Dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll notice a navigation bar on the top, a quick add menu, billing information, calendar, and agenda for your work week. To create a new contact, click the Contact button on either the top navigation bar or New Contact in the Quick Add section. Fill out all relevant information about the contact and hit Save. You can also create custom fields in PracticePanther to help personalize your data intake with your new contacts and new matters. Once you have created a new contact, you can create a new matter from that contact's page or the navigation bar on the top of the page. Fill out all relevant information for that new matter. You can personalize the matter further by filling in billing preferences and custom fields. From that matter, you can create tasks. You can do this by clicking the green New button or the New button on the top of the page. Add a new task, fill out all relevant information, and assign that task to a matter. PracticePanther helps you track your time too. For example, you can conveniently start and stop a timer on the top of your page while working on a matter. You can have multiple timers for various matters, but only one timer will run at any given time. If you forget to start your timer when working on a matter, you can simply create a new time entry, like this. A few things you should know about PracticePanther. PracticePanther has a QuickBooks integration. The recent QuickBooks Online integration lets you sync trust and operating payments, expenses, checks, invoices, and contracts from PracticePanther to QuickBooks. This feature also lets you generate reconciliation reports, write and print checks from PracticePanther, and send checks to be printed from QuickBooks. PracticePanther also has a mobile app, which means everything you do on your laptop or desktop, you can also do on your phone and tablet through their mobile app, so you can manage your law practice on the go. PracticePanther boasts 256-bit encryption and enterprise-level security by Microsoft. It also features HIPAA-compliant file management capabilities through its Box.com integration. PracticePanther allows you to use templates or create template forms for their custom document creation. You can also create unique workflows to help manage cases and facilitate data entry for your particular needs. Now that you have an idea of how PracticePanther works, let's review some of its highlights and features. PracticePanther allows you to sync and integrate with a number of different apps, including Office 365, Outlook, LawPay, Google Calendar, Gmail, and QuickBooks. It has an at-a-glance dashboard. You can track your time, stay on top of your to-dos, and manage your calendar all from the dashboard. There, you'll see all the revenue generated in a defined period, track unpaid invoice amounts, and monitor billable hours you have yet to invoice. PracticePanther syncs files across all your devices, helping you track changes, recover deleted files, and view version histories so you can amend errors you made along the way with ease. Documents are stored in the cloud, so you can edit them anywhere. You can lock or even password protect individual files to make sure others use them exactly how you intended. PracticePanther pricing starts at $39 a month if billed annually and $49 a month if billed monthly. Pricing for their Essential package is $59 a month if billed annually and $69 a month if billed monthly. Pricing for their Business package is $79 a month if billed annually and $89 a month if billed monthly. The fees include training, setup, and future upgrade costs. They also offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test drive the software to facilitate your practice management software decision-making. Some of its features include calendar, client contact management, case matter management, and so on. You can find the full list of features on the PracticePanther review page at Lawyerist.com. Keep in mind, some of the features it doesn't have are email client. In summary, PracticePanther is a good fit for small to mid-sized firms that like a clean and easy-to-use dashboard that includes at-a-glance finances and calendars to manage their practice. It's also great if you need more robust document storage in your practice. PracticePanther is not a good fit for firms who have sophisticated needs for flat fee and fixed price billing, building and automating forms and integrating data from them, or firms who want to integrate with some specific third-party platforms, like Xero for accounting, for example. Thanks for watching Lawyerist.com's PracticePanther review. To learn more, download our Law Practice Management Software Feature Comparison Chart and check out other law practice management software reviews from Lawyerist.com.